Hey everyone, welcome. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, thank you for joining. If you want to talk about yourself in English with more confidence, this video can truly help.
And if you listen all the way to the end, even just one full session, your English can improve at least 1%.
1% sounds small, but it's real progress, and progress feels good.
So we want to invite you to stay with us. Stay present, stay calm,
If you can, put on your headphones.
and find a quiet place to sit.
It will help your mind slow down and help the words feel clear and easy.
We're going to take this journey together, slowly, kindly.
And we promise you will feel more confident by the end.
So, welcome to this story.
Welcome to this moment, just for you.
So, now that you're here with us, let's take the next small step together.
Yeah, just a tiny step. Talking about yourself doesn't need to be big or scary. It can start very small.
Honestly, I used to think I needed long sentences.
But you don't. No one does at the beginning.
Sometimes I even wonder, what should I say after my name?
That's normal. Everyone feels that. Let's make it easier.
Easier sounds good.
You can add just one more detail, like your hobby.
Something simple, like I like music, or I like cooking.
Yes, small details open the door.
And when you add where you're from or what you enjoy, your introduction feels alive.
And you start to feel more connected, more real, more you.
So, let's keep walking together, slowly, one soft step at a time.
And as we keep taking these small steps, something beautiful begins to happen.
Yeah, you start to feel a little more open inside, a little more ready.
Because talking about yourself isn't only facts, it's also feelings.
And feelings make your words alive.
You can try something simple, like, I feel happy when I cook.
Or, I feel calm when I listen to music.
Exactly. Short, honest, real.
Sometimes, I'm scared to share feelings, though.
That's okay. You don't have to be perfect.
Thank you. That helps.
When you add even one small feeling, your English becomes warm.
And people understand you better because they feel you.
So let's keep going. Slow, soft, and true. And when you feel ready, even just a little, you can share a small memory.
A memory. That feels personal.
It can be tiny, something simple, something safe.
Like the first time I cooked something without burning it?
Yes, exactly like that.
Okay, let me try. Last year, I cooked my first real meal, and I felt proud.
See? That's a story. Short, clear, honest.
I didn't know it could be that easy.
Stories don't need to be long to be meaningful.
And adding how you felt makes it human.
One moment, one feeling, one memory.
I think I can share more now. Slowly. Little by little.
And sharing that little story, it makes me wonder about my daily life too.
Yeah, our routines say a lot about who we are.
Mine feels boring though. I wake up, I work, I sleep.
That's most of us. But even simple routines can sound clear and interesting.
How?
By using small time steps, like first I wake up, then I make coffee. After that, I start work.
Oh, that actually sounds better.
It sounds organized, and organization makes English easy to follow.
Let me try. First, I open my window. Then, I stretch a little. After that, I drink tea.
See? That feels alive. I can almost picture your morning.
Maybe my routine isn't that boring after all.
It never is when you tell it with gentle, simple steps. And the way you described your morning, it feels peaceful.
It is. But during the day, I struggle to find time to practice English.
Yeah, that's a real challenge for many people.
I always say, I'll practice later, but later never comes.
Then maybe the secret is making the practice very small.
How small?
What about 5 minutes? Just 5.
5 minutes? That feels possible.
You can set a tiny reminder on your phone.
Or keep a small note in my pocket, like a mini goal.
Yes, a little note can guide your day.
And like that, it makes learning feel less heavy.
Small actions always do.
Maybe with tiny steps, I can stay consistent this time. And with those tiny steps, I think I can stay on track.
You can. And there's another tiny skill that helps a lot.
Oh? What is it?
Small questions in English.
Questions, yeah. I freeze every time.
That's okay. Most people do. But questions don't need to be complicated.
Really?
Really. You can start with short ones like, do you like?
Do you like music?
Perfect. And for longer conversations, try, what do you like about?
Oh, that opens the door, doesn't it?
It does. It invites the other person to share.
So, a small question can create a real connection.
Exactly. One tiny question, one gentle bridge.
I think I can try that next time. I think I can try that next time.
And when you do, conversations start to open, especially when you talk about work or study.
Talking about work always feels boring to me.
Only when we make it boring. It can sound alive with just a few simple links.
Links?
Words like because, so, and then. They make your story clear.
I like my job because I help people.
Exactly. That feels warm, real.
And maybe I study at night so I can improve my skills.
Yes, small links, big clarity.
Wow, my sentences feel smoother already.
And smoother sentences build confidence, one moment at a time.
Hey, can we ask you something?
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you.
What do you enjoy about your work or studies?
And what is one simple thing you want to improve in your English right now? Those questions, they help us all think a little deeper.
Yeah, and sometimes thinking deeply brings up something else too.
What do you mean?
Well, sometimes I make a mistake while speaking, and I freeze.
That feeling. The, oh no, did I really say that moment?
Yes, exactly that. And then I just want to disappear.
Hey, it's okay. Everyone does that. Even native speakers.
Really?
Really.
Huh, I thought it was just me.
You can try a simple phrase when you slip, like, let me say that again.
That sounds gentle, not stressful.
Because learning should be gentle.
So instead of panicking, I can just breathe, adjust, and continue.
Exactly. That's courage.
Maybe mistakes aren't as scary as I thought.
They're not. And once you stop fearing them, something new becomes possible.
Something new?
A small introduction, a 1-minute story about yourself.
Oh no, that sounds big.
Only if you make it big. We'll keep it simple.
Okay, how simple?
Just 4 soft steps. A hook, who you are, what you do, and one interesting fact.
A hook. What does that even sound like?
Something gentle, like, hi, nice to meet you. I'm excited to share a little about myself.
Oh, that's not scary at all.
And then you add your name, your work or study, and one small detail.
I think I could try that.
I know you can.
For the first time, an introduction feels possible. For the first time, an introduction feels possible.
And when something feels possible, the next step becomes clearer.
Possible. Like talking about my future.
Yes, even small future plans help people understand you.
I always overthink it. I feel like my dreams sound silly.
No dream is silly, not when it's yours.
Okay, then maybe I can try one.
Start tiny. Use I want to or I'm going to.
I want to improve my English so I can meet more people.
Beautiful, honest, clear.
And I'm going to practice 5 minutes every day to make that happen.
That's a real plan. Simple, strong.
Saying my future out loud. It feels good.
It always does.
Maybe I'm starting to believe in myself a little more.
And that belief grows even faster when you're not learning alone.
Not alone.
Yeah, learning with someone else makes everything softer, easier.
I always feel shy asking people to practice with me.
That shyness is real, but you only need one small invitation.
One?
Yes, something simple like, would you like to practice English with me?
Go. That sounds friendly, not scary.
Exactly. A friendly invitation, nothing heavy.
And maybe someone will say yes.
Someone usually does. People want connection too.
So a tiny question, and suddenly I'm not learning alone anymore.
Right. A small step toward community.
And maybe a small step toward a braver version of myself?
You're already stepping into that version.
You know, I had a tiny success last week.
Really? Tell me.
I joined a short English call, and I actually spoke. Just a little.
That's wonderful. How did it feel?
Honestly, I was surprised. My voice didn't shake as much as I expected.
That's the power of trying, even when you feel unsure.
I didn't say anything big, just simple sentences.
Simple sentences are still brave.
Yeah, and afterward, I felt proud. Not loud pride, just quiet, gentle pride.
The best kind. Pride that grows slowly and stays with you.
Maybe sharing small wins is important too.
It is. When you share your progress, you remind your heart that you're moving forward.
When I share my progress, it really reminds me I'm moving forward.
And that feeling, that quiet progress, it matters more than people think.
Still, sometimes I wake up and doubt everything again.
Doubt is natural. It visits all of us.
I wonder if I'm learning fast enough, if I'm improving at all.
You are, but your mind needs gentle proof, small reminders every day.
What kind of reminders?
Something tiny, like writing one good thing you did that day. Just one.
Today, I learned a new word.
Beautiful. Or today, I didn't give up.
That feels grounding, like breathing out.
Reflection softens the fear. It tells your heart you're growing, even if it's slow.
Maybe I should make it a daily habit.
Yes, a tiny ritual, simple, gentle.
I think it might help me trust myself a little more each day.
And look at you now. You've walked through this whole journey with us.
Yeah, step by step, breath by breath.
And if you're still here, listening, we want to say something important.
Thank you. Truly.
Yes, thank you for staying with us till the end.
If you watch the full video, your English has already improved. Even a little, even 1%.
And small improvement is real improvement.
If you finish the whole video, tell us in the comments, I watched the full video.
We want to thank you personally. You deserve that appreciation.
And if you want to keep growing, you can watch more videos from our channel.
Each one is made to help you feel confident, step by step, softly.
And hey, don't forget to like the video.
Yes, it helps more learners find us.
Share it with a friend or family member who wants to improve their English too.
Your share might help someone start their learning journey.
And if you want to support us, subscribe to the channel.
When you subscribe, we feel inspired to create more lessons for you.
Until the next video, with a new topic, a new journey.
Until then, take care, keep learning, and stay with Listen and Talk English. Bye!